Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable smart suggestions to suggest useful actions on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top to open up the quick settings panel. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on advanced features. Then go down and tap on smart suggestions, toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. You can also tap on the left hand side panel. In here, it will provide you a list of apps that you can get suggestions. So here we've got Samsung keyboard, calendar, reminder, and messages. So for example, if you don't want to get suggestions for messages, you can switch it off, or reminder or calendar. Anything that you don't want to use suggestions, you can switch it off, or vice versa, you can turn it on. And that's it. That is how you can turn on or turn off smart suggestions on the Galaxy S23 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.